y'all, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Keisha and this is my beauty channel where we do everything lifestyle and beauty. So if you want to join the Slay Squad, go ahead and hit that subscribe button because we be slaying over here, period. So let me go ahead and get into this makeup tutorial. I went ahead and cleansed my mom's skin. This is my mama, y'all. So I went ahead and cleansed her face with some Noxzema wipes, and those are good for clearing up any bumps or anything like that, and just removing any dirt or anything like that from your client's skin. And make sure you just get everywhere in the cracks and crevices of your client's face. Next, I'm going to go in with my Pond's moisturizer. And skincare is very important, ladies. So you want to make sure you go ahead and cleanse the face and then go in with some moisturizer to get that moisture back into your client's skin. So now I'm going to go in with my e.l.f. Putty Primer, and this is a mattifying primer, so it's going to leave a smooth surface ready for that foundation. Okay, y'all, so now I'm going to take some Duo Lash Glue and I'm just going to apply some of this to the brows. And I learned this technique from Lachey Glams. Make sure y'all follow her on Instagram and on YouTube because she be killing the looks, period. But no, so you just apply the Duo Glue to the brows and just so the hairs can stay in place. And then I'm going to take this brow pencil and I'm going to go ahead and fill in her brows. Now, I do not like this brow pencil for some reason. As you can see, like, it was giving me a hard time, like, filling in my mom's brows. I personally like the brow pomade. So I'm going to get that again. I'm going to go back to what I know. I don't really like using pencils to fill in brows because I don't know, it just doesn't show that well. I don't know if I need to do it harder or what. I don't know. Leave some thoughts in the comments. But yeah, I'm just going to go ahead and fill in her brows, and then I'm going to go in with some concealer to clean them up. These are the concealers that I'm going to be using from L'Oreal. I really love these concealers. They're very full coverage and these are a must-have, so make sure you go get you some. I got these from Target and they were about like $8.99, I believe. So yeah, girl, go get you some. is my mom's favorite foundation, Maybelline. And I'm just going to apply that all over her face. And then I'm going to go ahead and blend that out using a Real Technique brush. After you blend out your foundation with your brush, you want to go in with a beauty blender as well, just to make sure everything is nice and blended.
Through drought and famine, natural disasters, my baby has been around for me. Kingdoms are falling, angels be calling.
So to blend out the concealer, I like to go in with this Real Technique brush. It's like a fluffy brush, like a powder brush, I believe. I like to blend out the concealer with this brush, and then I like to go in with a beauty blender just to make sure everything is nice and blended.
Every time I get a bit inside, I feel it. Who would have thought I'd get you?
So for contour, I like to use a Black Radiance palette. I love this palette, you guys. They have a light to medium and then a dark, what's the other one? Medium to dark? Light to medium and then medium to dark, I believe. I don't know. But I got these from Walmart, so go get you one of these. Both of these, actually, because they come in two.
My baby has been around for me. Kingdoms are falling, angels be calling. None of that could ever make me leave. Yeah. Every time I look
For the powder, I mixed Laurier Mercier's translucent setting powder with some Revolution powder, the yellow one. So I mixed those two powders and I love how it came out. So now I'm going to take this NYX face setting powder and I'm just going to wipe all of that powder away. And then I'm going to go in with some Morphe setting spray and get her together. Trust the process, y'all. So now I'm going to take my Morphe blush trio and I'm just going to take the last two shades and just apply a little blush. Now this is not like a full glam makeup look. This is giving me very much soft glam. So I didn't do too much contour, too much highlight, too much blush or anything like that. And then this last step, I did do her lids, but my camera went dead, so I didn't really catch that. But that's pretty much the end of this video. Make sure y'all give this video a big thumbs up and hit that subscribe button to join the Slay Squad because we be slaying over here. Period. Hey. Stay tuned for the next video. Bye.
Hey. Hey.